What up, y'all? This is Adam here from Clean Wave Power Washing. I figure I'll start making these videos and take you along on my new rig I'm building here. I'm gonna take this off the trailer here. This is actually a skid that I purchased from Midwest Softwash. It's got the 5.5, 11.5 gallon roof pump. It's a pretty nice rig. I just want to get it off the trailer here on this new work truck I have. What up, everybody? Say hi. That's Pogie. He just got neutered. What's up, buddy? But yeah, we're gonna take this new truck and rig it up. Just got this 500 gallon Norwesco water tank there. We're gonna now it in right along here. I wasn't gonna go too close to that seam there. I want to get a couple inches off of it, and hopefully that does the trick there. But yeah, this is a Ford Transit I just picked up. Used. Got it for about $17,000. Has about 70,000 miles on it already, but she's a nice little work truck. She'll do. I don't have to go far. About 40 minutes is 45 minutes is what I drive for a job. But here we are in the shop. We got this nice big shop here. Sorry about shaking there, but yeah, we're gonna take this and just throw it right on there. With the forks, you can take forks and just lift it right off and boom, set it there. Run some new lines in the big tank. And I'll take the extra water tank I have there, 100 gallon. That's a 55 gallon water soap tank. 100 gallon water tank on that. We'll take that off there. Actually, I'm probably just gonna leave it and use it for extra bleach, honestly. But yeah, all right, here we go. Thanks, y'all. All right, y'all, here we are with the new truck build. If you guys want to follow along, I'll take you on my little journey here. Just picked up this 500 gallon tank to put on my new Ford Transit here. It's nice, these sides come up, they fold up here. Went with the clamp on. So that would be nice. But yeah, we're gonna just put some 5/8 bolts in there, some lock washers. I didn't want to get too close to that seam because it's not too thick, you know, but I think she'll hold up just fine. That's why it's not butted up completely up against it. I just want to get a little bit of room, maybe put some things back there, some broom handles and stuff, but got two up front to drill here, two to drill here. And it's nice, this thing. Sorry about the shaking, I'm trying to lift this up here. Yeah, she just in there. It's nice. It is off to the side just a little bit, but I don't think that's going to matter much. I'll only be driving around with 100, 150 gallons to start out with before you show up to the first house. But yeah, she sits in there nice. It's the other side. Yeah, take you underneath here, but you can see. There's that seam I was talking about, and I don't want to pop any of those welds there. Of course, you gotta show up, don't you? All right, so, all right, first things first, let's make some holes. So I went ahead and marked a little spot right there where I wanted it to be, from the edge to there. And now we're gonna bring it back. I want to come out at least 2 inches from that seam there. I think that'd be far enough. So I don't pop any of those welds underneath there. I think 2 inches would be far enough. All right, let's get those drilled. Sorry, I had to put that down for a second. It's nice and drilled out. All right, we got the hole drilled. Right there. Nice and slow. So I don't have anyone here to help me, so I'll take these vice grips. Take these vice grips and just clamp them on there. Hold that while I'm tightening it. Come under here. There's the bottom of it. Alright, so this is what underneath looks like. I didn't completely suck down those lock washers yet until I get the rest of them in place. But yeah, that's what underneath looks like. Well, 3 more to go. Okay, now that I got that side in, not completely tightened, just enough so I can move that out of the way and drill our next hole. All right, went ahead and got the fronts attached. See, just barely fits in there. It's nice. Now, as you can see, I don't have those bolted down yet, but not having those bolted down leaves you enough wiggle room here to be able to fit it right in there. And I can still adjust it a little bit, like I said. Still got some room to play. Once you suck them down though, it should be good. When you're doing these, it's a little tip for you. Pair of vice grips there. As you can see, I couldn't get it. I didn't have anyone here to hold it for me, so just these vice grips. Press them down. Allows me to get that. Just put my weight on that. I can even put my knee on it. Put my knee on there. Hold it in place and I can just drill that out.